Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to check out your energies for mid-month of August 2021, starting from 15th till 31st of August, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading, alright? So let's get started now. For personal reading, you can contact me in my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in bio. You can DM me over there. Okay. So what is there for my Taurus, please? Taurus, mid-August 2021. Taurus. The obstacle for you in the mid-month is the Hermit energy which has come up, and your overall energy is 5 of Wands. Okay, so let's see what is going on with my Taurus. Okay, so with your obstacle energy, with the Hermit, we are able to see that it is something in relation with your inner self. Okay, you really want, somewhere you really want to be with yourself, somewhere you want to heal. You have actually, you have gone through so many obstacles in life, so many problems in your life, that you really want to heal yourself right now. But this has come up in the obstacles, and the reason why it is the 5 of Wands. You have gone through a lot of pain, and because of this rage, because of that pain, you still are going through some problems. It can be like not talking, or it can be like talking and getting into arguments, getting into fights with your person. So you're facing all right. Okay, right now you're facing. At the back of the deck, more energies which we have are the 3 of Swords, 9 of Wands, oh my god, Father of Swords, Death energy. Yeah, these energies I'll take. So heartbreaks, heartaches, I would say this could have mean a breakup, a past relationship which have broken you from inside out. It could have, you have just experienced a lot of endings because of the situation. You are really at a place where you are feeling helpless. You do not know what to do, where to go. Every part or every direction, every direction in your life has come to an end, and that is why you are feeling. In the past, we have 2 of Cups, Justice and Judgment energy. So you could have been in a place where you've met a soulmate in your life, and this person was like everything to you until something actually bad happened, and either you have taken that decision, or this person can be your person could have taken a decision in regards with you. You might have even entered into something like legal issues. For some of you, it can be a marriage, divorce which you are going through, and that is why it is becoming a problem. In the present, we have Father of Wands, the Lovers, and the 7 of Cups. You are at a place where you still love this person. Okay, this can be your person as well if you're a cross watcher. So just take as it resonates. So this is something like you really love them, you really want to be with them, but you cannot be with them. You are at that place. You are exploring other options, but you actually do not want to explore. This is something very different. In the future, we have the Hanged Man, the Magician, and the 10 of Pentacles. So yeah, this is a very beautiful energy which we are having in the coming future for you. This is like a stability, the stability which my Taurus always wants. A stability is coming your way, Taurus. There will be a time, okay, there will be a little pause in your life. You will experience that pause, and that pause is actually needed for you. So you will experience it, and you will actually be fine. I feel that, because stability, what you want, is coming towards you. Okay, Let me clarify now why the Hermit energy is here in the overall, in the obstacle format, Taurus. 5 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, and the Death. So again, yes, why this healing is required is because you have actually gone through a place, you really loved your person always, you have been, but because of that loneliness, because of that person leaving you, left, you might be feeling left out in the cold, you might be feeling that everything has been ended. Because of this ending, you want to regain a lot of confidence in you. You want to start again a new life. But this is somewhere you are not healed properly. You are in that healing zone, Taurus. Tell me more about the 5 of Wands, please. Devil, 2 of Cups, and Judgment. Yes, this was a karmic relationship, Taurus. Okay, so Devil along with 2 of Cups is telling me, yeah, you were involved with somebody who was just, they are very good from outside, but from inside you know what exactly this person's face is, what this person wants. That is what you are going through. Okay, so let me check your past energies. Tell me more about the Justice in the past, why the Justice is here. Knight of Cups, 6 of Swords, and 8 of Cups. Yeah, a relationship started, but it was temporary. Honestly, it was temporary. It was nothing. It was always meant to just, this relationship would have ended long back ago even, or this is already long back ago. I don't know why you have not healed from the situation yet, because you were connected with the person, Taurus. You were connected with them a lot. It took you like billions of years to come out, and still you are healing. You are not in that zone where you are fully healed. Tell me more about the Father of Wands, please. The Magician, 3 of Cups, and the 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, the advice for you over here, Taurus, is if you have friends, and if you are a social person, just go out and have a little time with your friends, have some time with yourself as well, because that is all you need right now. Nothing else will help you out more, because with this person I don't see anything coming up. But I'll check the future energies also with this person with whom you are dealing with. Tell me more about the 7 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, and the Empress. Yeah, stuck energies, stubborn energies. No, I don't see it happening. Either it's you or your person who is actually wanting to start this relationship again, but one person out of you both is very stuck, very stubborn. One person, see how this person is wanting, this person is working. Empress means abundance, growth, but this person is stuck. This person is rigid, stubborn, that no, I will not make it work, whatever will happen. No from this person's side. Tell me more about the Okay, so tell me more about the Magician energy in the future, please. Why the Magician is here. 8 of Wands, the Lovers, and 6 of Cups. Wow. There's a communication which might happen, because the 6 of Cups is here along with Lovers energy. So reconciliation is coming up. There's a communication. Definitely communication will happen, but after a pause. This pause can be months, days, or weeks. Okay. But yeah, communication is coming. And I want to know about the 10 of Pentacles. The Hangman, Page of Wands, and Justice. Again, the law energies are here. See, communication does not mean getting back together. A communication is coming up towards you for a reconciliation, but the choice will be all yours at the end. What you want to go. Do you want to go? Because you will take one more pause. You will start to think again. What you want now, Taurus, it's not necessary you want it in the future as well. So there will be a lot of ups and downs which will come in between, in your life, in between this time zone, but the decision at the end will be yours. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Taurus. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.